Stop guessing and start gaining. It's time to trade like the pros without spending years mastering the charts. Welcome to Phemex Copy Trading, the ultimate shortcut for beginners and busy traders alike. Today, I'm going to show you how to follow top traders, earn real profits, and grow your portfolio, all while learning from the best. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to BitBoy X, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors in all the interwebs. I'm your humble host, the BitBoy. If you can't wait for the trading hack that you've been missing this entire time, make sure to stick around until the end. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more tips and tricks of the trade. So let's kick things off by understanding what copy trading is all about. Think of it as the ultimate cheat code for crypto trading. On Phemex, you can automatically mirror the trades of top performing traders. Imagine having access to a seasoned pro's strategies without spending years learning the ropes or following and looking over his shoulder. The best part, you don't need to stress over complex technical indicators or hours of market analysis. Copy trading, well, it takes the guesswork out of trading and replaces it with proven strategies. Whether you're a beginner or just strapped for time, this is the edge you need to succeed. So here's the thing about trading. Most people fail because they lack the time, experience, or tools to stay ahead of the game. Copy trading, it eliminates all that. By following top traders, you're leveraging their expertise to grow your portfolio while you learn from their moves. It's the perfect mix of passive income and hands-on learning. Phemex makes copy trading ridiculously simple. Number one, check out the top trader leaderboard on Phemex. This is your gateway to success. The leaderboard shows each trader's performance, win rate, and strategies. Number two, pick a trader that matches your goals. Are you looking for consistent gains? A risk taker with high returns? A profile picture that's a woman? You get to choose based on real stats. Number three, once you've selected your trader, every move they make, well, it's going to be mirrored in your account automatically. It's kind of like having your personal crypto coach. You don't have to fly blind. Phemex gives you real-time updates so you can see every single trade as it happens. You can track your progress, tweak your strategy, and stay fully informed about your portfolio's growth. Now, let's talk about why Phemex is the ultimate platform for copy trading. It's beginner friendly. You don't need a finance degree or years of experience. Phemex is designed to be accessible. Title, profit sharing model. Here's the kicker. You only pay a small fee when you profit. That means your success is aligned with the trader that you are following. Title, security and trust. Phemex employs top-tier security protocols to keep your funds safe because you got to remember, not all traders are the same. Take your time to analyze the leaderboard and pick someone who matches your goals. Do they trade daily? Are they focused on long-term gains? Understanding these nuances will help you make smarter choices. Now, here's a game-changing tip. Combine copy trading with a Palau digital ID for just $248. This ID gives you a stress-free way to trade on Phemex and other platforms without the usual KYC headaches. With Palau's digital residency, you unlock trading freedom while keeping your personal data secure. I got links below for this, so make sure to check them out. I've got my Palau ID. It's how I trade everywhere. So let's touch on something crucial, risk management. Even with copy trading, it's important to set limits. Always define your budget and decide how much risk you're comfortable with. Use Phemex's tools like stop loss and take profit orders to safeguard your investments. Because you gotta remember, smart and informed trading is all about staying in the game for the long run. So there you have it. Phemex copy trading is your shortcut to trading smarter and not harder. Use my exclusive link down below to get started today. Follow the best, earn while you learn, and make this bull run your most successful yet. If you found this helpful, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with a trader you're excited to follow. And let's make sure to crush this market together. Of course, thank you to Phemex for being our exclusive trading partner of choice. That's all I've got. Be blessed. Good boy out.